channel. Who gave his first sermon in Sarnath? Options are Mahavir, Sankaracharya, Mahatma Buddha, and Guru Nanak. Right option is option number C, Mahatma Buddha. And Gautam Buddha gave his first sermon at options are Baisali, Kusambi, Sarnath, Pawapuri. Right option is option number C, Sarnath. So next question is, in Buddhist text, Dharmasakra Pravartanam is known as his site first sermon at Sarnath, his religious norms, Buddha rituals. Right option is option number B, first sermon at Sarnath. Next question is, Dharmasakra Pravartanam was performed at options are Shansi, Shravasti, Sarnath, Baisali. Right option is option number C, Sarnath. Next question is, Gautam Buddha gave the maximum sermons at which place? Options are Baisali, Shravasti, Kosambi, and Rajgriha. Right option is option number B, Shravasti. Most of the discipline of Gautam Buddha were from Koshala region. He delivered his maximum sermon at Shravasti, the capital of Kosala. Next question is, which philosophy accept Triratna? Options are Buddhism, Nyaya philosophy, Yoga philosophy, Jainism, none of the above. Right option is option number A, Buddhism. Triratna, three jewels, is associated with Buddha philosophy. Because here the three jewels are the Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. Next question is, what does Triratna means in Buddhism? Tripitaka, Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha, and Sil, Samadhi, Sangha, and Satya, Ahimsa, and Karuna. Right option is option number B, Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha are three jewels, three ratna of Buddhism. After the death of Buddha, his teaching were collected in three parts known as Tripitaka. The Tripitaka are Vinaya Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka, and Abhidhamma Pitaka. Next question is, Buddha had visited Kusambi during the region of options are Sattanika, Udayana, and Bodhi, and Nishakshu. Right option is option number B, Udayana. Mahatma Buddha visited Kusambi during the region of the King Udayana. It was his ninth resting place. Under the influence of Pindola Bharadwaj, Udaya turned to Buddhism and denoted Ghoshit Ram Bihar to Bhiksu Sangha. Next question is, first Buddhist conference after death of Buddha was presided over by options are Mahakashyapa, Dharma Sena, and Ajatsatru, and Nagasena. Right option is option number A, Mahakashyapa. The first Buddhist council was held soon after the Mahaparinirvana of Buddha under the patronage of King Ajatsatru. Next question is, who among the following conducted the first Buddhist council? Options are